Push-up position, knee to elbow. You're going to start off by getting in a proper push-up plank by slightly tucking the butt, pushing through the arms so the upper back rounds. Begin bringing the knee up to touch its counterpart elbow. You're going to move the legs in a somewhat slow, controlled fashion, attempting to actually touch the knee with the elbow on every rep. Now we're going to go through some common faults so you don't look silly out there. One is dropping the scaps. I want you to try to keep the upper back rounded the entire time. Then we have going too fast. These aren't mountain climbers. Control your movement. Slow down a little bit. Then we have the reps a little too short. I want you to actually try to touch the elbow. Here we've got the butt piked up too high. You look ridiculous. Get that butt down. This is the opposite position to avoid, a lower back arch. Make sure you maintain a strong push-up position plank the whole time. Now you've got it. Have fun.